Hey, this is Matt with Sovereign Excavation and Construction Solutions. We're back at our Dolman project and they're pouring the concrete into the walls today. You can see the massive pump truck out on the street. And you got Banta Stewed is here doing the concrete, and everything is going in real nice. So everything looks good. I got quite a bit of dirt out the other day. Got kind of a runway here. And they're, you can see they're shooting the concrete in right now. So they got the temporary electric in over there, and I'm off to dig a little footing, garage footing over in Webster Grove. So this is Matt with Sovereign Excavation and Construction Solutions. Give us a call at 314-308-7161. Check us out on the web at www.sovereignexcavation.com. Thanks.